Today, we'll be making a spring risotto with asparagus and peas. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. In a pot, add in 5 cups of chicken broth. Over medium heat, we'll heat the stock up until it comes to a simmer. Then we'll set this aside for later use. Now to a large pan, add in olive oil and asparagus. Cook for about 3 minutes. Then add in peas and we'll cook for additional 1 to 2 minutes. Then remove the veggies onto a plate and we'll use them later. Back to the pan, add in chopped onion and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until translucent. Then add in your minced garlic and we'll cook for about 1 minute. Now we can add in our rice. Mix and saute until the edges become translucent and the rice is fully coated in oil. Once combined and toasted, we'll add in 1 to 2 ladles of our hot broth. Stir your rice occasionally. Once the broth has been absorbed, we'll add in 1 to 2 ladles of the broth again. We'll repeat this process until we've used up all of our broth. Make sure that the rice has absorbed most of the broth before you add in any more. This whole process will take about 25 to 30 minutes, and remember to stir occasionally. Once I've added the final remaining broth, I'm preparing my scallops on the side. This is optional and you can definitely have your risotto without the seafood component. Sear scallops over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now back over to our rice. Once the broth has been absorbed, we can add in our cooked veggies from earlier. Mix it all together. We're almost done. Add in the lemon juice of half a lemon and mix it together. And just like that, our risotto is done. Add in any additional toppings and a nice slice of lemon. Enjoy!